We want to simplify 8 raised to the power of negative 2/3 raised to the power of negative 0.5. Notice here the exponent is a fraction, and here it's a decimal. Let's rewrite negative 0.5 as negative 1/2. So the given expression is equivalent to 8 raised to the power of negative 2/3 raised to the power of negative 1/2. In this form, we have powers raised to powers, and therefore we multiply the exponents given by this exponent rule here. A raised to the power of m raised to the power of n equals a raised to the power of m times n. So here we would have 8 raised to the power of negative 2/3 times negative 1/2. Now before determining this product, notice how we can simplify. There's a common factor of 2 between the numerator and denominator. 2 divided by 2 simplifies to 1. So this simplifies to 8 raised to the power of, the numerator of the exponent would be negative 1 times negative 1, that's 1. The denominator would be 3 times 1, which is 3. To simplify 8 raised to the power of 1/3, we'll write this in radical form. Or for review, if we have a raised to the power of m divided by n, the denominator of the exponent tells us the index, and the numerator tells us the exponent. So because the denominator of the exponent is a 3, we're going to have a cube root, and because the numerator of the exponent is 1, the exponent would be 1. So 8 raised to the power of 1/3 is equal to the cube root of 8 raised to the first, but when the exponent is 1, we know we can leave it off. So now we want to simplify the cube root of 8, and 8 is a perfect cube because 8 in prime factored form would be 4 times 2, and then 4 is equal to 2 times 2. So 8 is equal to 2 cubed. So showing some work here, we would have the cube root of 2 cubed, which simplifies perfectly to 1 factor of 2. So 8 raised to the power of negative 2/3 raised to the power of negative 0.5 is equal to positive 2. I hope you found this helpful.